If Photoshop is giving you error 46, that usually means there's a file extraction or write failure during the install or update process. In simple terms, the installer can't create, replace, or overwrite the files it needs to finish properly. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step, including the main permission fix that solves this issue for a lot of users. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Let's start with the fastest method first. Restart your PC completely. A simple reboot can clear stuck processes and temporary conflicts that are blocking Adobe from writing files. After the restart, find your Creative Cloud app or the Photoshop installer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to make changes on your computer. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is clear your temporary files. This is very important because corrupted temp files can interfere with new installs and updates. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box, then type %temp% and press enter. This opens your temp folder. Select everything inside this folder and delete it. Don't worry, this usually removes leftover installation files and broken cache data that can cause error 46. Now let's close anything Adobe related that may be running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for processes like Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, CCX Process, and Adobe IPC. Broker. End each of those tasks if they're running. These background processes can lock files and prevent the installer from writing to the folders it needs. If you're still seeing the error, the most important fix is to check your folder permissions. This is often the main reason Photoshop error 46 appears. Open File Explorer and go to C Drive, then Program Files, then to Files, then Adobe. Right-click the Adobe folder, choose Properties, and go to the Security tab. Here, select your Windows user account and make sure it has full control, modify, and write permissions enabled. If it doesn't, click Edit and grant those permissions. This allows Adobe to create and overwrite files without being blocked by Windows. While you're working through these steps, it's also a good idea to temporarily disable any antivirus software that might be blocking the installer. Some antivirus programs treat Adobe files as suspicious and stop them from being written correctly. If your security software has real-time protection, pause it briefly, then try the install or update again. Just remember to turn it back on when you're done. After that, try the Photoshop install or update one more time. In many cases, one of these fixes will clear error 46 right away. If the problem was caused by corrupted temp files, locked processes, or blocked permissions, Photoshop should now install normally. So to recap, Photoshop error 46 is usually caused by a file extraction or write failure, and the best fixes are restarting your PC, running the installer as administrator, clearing the temp folder, closing Adobe background processes, and fixing permissions inside the Adobe install folder. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.